sectioning the hair. Y'all know I love the sectioning. We're gonna do 3 sections with alligator clips. Alligator clips are called alligator clips, I think, because they kind of look like an alligator jaw. They've got all these like teeth in it, and it's basically so that it can grab onto large sections of hair. It doesn't really leave big creases, but this thing bends so it can like hang on to like a big chunk of hair. I don't really have that problem because I don't have that much hair, but other people, it's really important. Way better than having like a little flat clip like this. It's not gonna hang on to the amount of hair that you want to. We're gonna go mohawk little section here, open that up. We like to keep as much volume in here as possible. I can already feel that there's a little bit of dampness here that I don't want, so I'm just gonna hit it with the blow dryer quick. Once you're at this point, lifting it just straight up from the head is gonna work out fine for that and help keep the lift and volume in there. So as usual, I like to hold this up, put one finger in, and then just do a little twirl and have a little bun there, and then take the alligator clip and just go boop right over the top so it hangs onto all that hair. Now we're gonna go over the ears, all the way around to the back. Again, do a little twisty, not too tight so that we keep some volume in these areas. Take the big clip, open it up, and clamp right over the whole little bun there. Now, split in half, pull it to the front.